क्या हुआ and Bollywood style मैंने भाग के कोर्ट मैरिज करी. मम्मी का थप्पड़ खाया, पापा की डांट खाई, and after all the emotional drama, they finally accepted it. I was really happy that I married my prince charm, but living happily ever after did not happen. Little did I know, just 1 month passed, and I realized that in the modern era, dowry still prevail in the heads of so-called modern people. फिर पूछो क्या हुआ? पूछो क्या हुआ? दिल के अरमा आंसुओं में बह गए. I was mentally abused every single day for dowry, and slowly it also turned into physical. Had no face to go back to my dad because he had already warned me कि they are getting you married for money, but प्यार अंधा होता है. सुना है आपने? मेरा भी प्यार अंधा ही था. When it got unbearable, one fine morning, I thought I had made the biggest mistake of my life, and I left the home to end myself. But I failed. Parents spoke to my in-laws, and I was sent back. Years passed by, had 2 daughters, and I was thrown out of the house at 1 a.m., saying that was not my house. Long story short, I had my own house, I was living happily with my husband, 2 daughters, and slowly I realized that my husband was distancing from me for someone else. Keeping my mouth shut like a Nali, I tried everything under the sun to make the marriage work. But I didn't succeed. I was lost. I started getting panic attacks. I used to hit myself. Multiple things happened. I lost myself completely. And I didn't know what to do. I was lost. In 2018, then finally, my husband left the house. And that was really heartbreaking. Despite begging for love, and despite begging to come back, he didn't come. I was dying every single day. With a smile on the outside, I was crying in the inside. I also indulged in wrong habits of drinking and put down 16 kgs. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm thinking. All I had was the house, 2 daughters, no stable income, and a broken heart. I was still trying to figure out what to do. COVID hit 2020. For some, it was first. For me, it was food. Ask me why. Because it gave me a pause. We all need a pause before we restart. So I thought a lot and realized I had 2 options. One is to sit and cry and play the victim mode and let life happen to me. And second was to take charge of my life in my control and make the life happen for what was going on in my mind asked me what it made us. मरना भी मुश्किल है, जीना बिल्कुल नामुमकिन. अब क्या रह गया है इस जिंदगी में साबित. So I asked myself, then why did God give me life? To cry each day? No. To die each day? No. To live on someone else's terms? No. Then why did God give me life and so much of pain? Definitely not to end it because I had tried and I failed a couple of times. So then I invested on Option 1 was up, option 2 was it. And of course, I have fear, anxiety, confusion, helplessness, self-doubt. But कहते हैं ना डर के आगे. So I got multiple awards from my company. I started investing a lot of time and money in my growth, learning about my skills, learning about how to take control of my Amazon best-selling book. And a meek little girl who could not speak for herself, I'm proud to share that I'm one among the top 100 speakers of India. On my health front, remember I put down 16 kgs. So I tried Ayurvedic, allopathy, acupressure, acupuncture, blue Putino, Vinita contractor, learning for you're maybe knowing these names, but nothing worked. I had started to hate to look at myself in the mirror and had stopped shopping because the media say large say Excel से भी और आगे जा रहा था. Then one day I recalled a classmate. I had done a course in Finland where he introduced himself as a naturopathic doctor. I never thought I would meet him again. But again, I went for another event in Chennai and saw this fellow boasting about his successes on the stage. मैंने ये reverse कर दिया, वो reverse कर दिया, diabetes reverse कर दी. I heard it. I did not approach it. When I went back to Mumbai, I got a full body checkup done and bought a diabetes. तब दिमाग की घंटी बजी. तब लगा कि अब इस बंदे को फोन करना चाहिए. And if this fellow can't help me, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता because I had done everything under the sun. So yes, I contacted him and I'm happy to share I've already reduced 10 kgs, a few more to go. And thanks to Vishal and his team, Kajal, very simple. She is very supportive. And Akshita, I love you. She is not only a coach, she's my therapist. मुझे रोना आता है मैं फोन करती हूँ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है मैं फोन करती हूँ लाइक शी इज अ फ्रेंड टू मी थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग हर टू मी and Mr. Vishal, as handsome as he is, very charming smile, right? He is an ocean of knowledge. Like at such a young age, helping so many people live disease-free, medicine-free life is really, really commendable. And I think he's a chosen one. And if you are in this room, it's not a coincidence. Trust me, you have attracted good health in your life. All you need is Mr. Vishal and the willingness to surrender to him. And one last message that remember, life is what you make out of it. Either you can sit and let life happen to you or make life happen for you. Choice is yours. Thank you.
So we happened like coincidentally, she said, oh, hey. She was talking about her health issues, having health things. Yes, I think it's reversible. We tried that, we attend our workshops and stuff like that. But eventually, as she said, she went for the entire blood work and things are wrong. Then from there, she took the journey and trust me, she is the symbol of, willpower. The way she has carried herself despite of all odds is something, we as human beings, especially you women in the room could learn. Very long story, she just told a bit of that, but she's like hats off to her, the way she has carried her work, daughters, and again parents को बताना कि भी ऐसे हो गया है. खैर अगर इधर टेक्निक पता होगी तो right. So well done, Suman. Thank you so much. You're awesome. And is into investing. Like there's a lot of good suggestions about investing in all. So family, just talk to her about that also.
Yeah, I got to mention I'm a financial consultant and a money management coach. I teach people not to chase money but to attract. So be that being that money consultant.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Suman, for coming on the stage. One more time, guys. Thank you. Thank you.